Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your COD Mobile career and BR stats private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't make it private, anyone can come and view your stats, such as win-loss and KD. Here is how to make it private. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap on your name from the top left of the screen. On this screen, tap Basic. On the Basic profile page, tap the box with the icon of two flags. This is the multiplayer stats. Here in the multiplayer stats, you can see stats. There is a checkbox on the bottom left to allow others to view statistics. Turn this checkbox off to make your stats private. This will take effect on your BR stats and zombie stats also. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.